This is how TikTok saved my business. At the end of 2019, I quit my engineering job after becoming extremely burnt out. I remember thinking, why am I even doing this? Like, what even is the point of working long hours for a company that treats its workers as disposable? I was so unhappy. The idea of spending the next 40 years of my life like this filled me with existential dread. I often ask myself, is this what life is? I chose to not accept those circumstances, so I quit my job and started SoCal 3D, with only the idea for the cup holder adapter. I knew lots of people had large hydro flasks, which don't fit in normal car cup holders, so I had a feeling my product would catch on. After releasing it to the public, I got a lot of positive comments, but not a lot of sales. It was nearing the end of 2020, and my business was not looking like it was doing so well. I dreaded having to go back to an office job because I remembered how unhappy it made me. In a last-ditch effort, I tried to just have fun on TikTok, not really thinking much of it. But then, this happened. Literally overnight, one of my videos went viral, and I got more orders than I could ever imagine. I only had 3 3D printers at the time, so to keep up with demand, I reinvested a lot to now have 19 3D printers. Thank you all so much for supporting my journey. I would not have been able to do it without you. If you're feeling down and in a similar situation, I recommend just start posting because you never know how one video can change your life.